Hi there, welcome to today's Walmart spring try-on haul. All of these pieces are new arrivals from Walmart, and oh my goodness, I have literally my new favorite pair of jeans, and I still can't get over it that they're from Walmart. I have some shorts, some pretty blouses, some dresses. It's going to be a good one, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you don't miss any of them. I'll leave my stats here, and then everything that I share in today's video will be linked below down in the description box, so you easily can shop all of the outfits and products that I shared in today's video. And if you like more real life, just sales, outfit inspiration, head on over to Instagram. I share tons of content over there, and oftentimes they get a sneak peek first. Without further ado, I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and hop into the first outfit. And I believe everything in this try-on haul is under $28. There's like one dress that's $28, but everything's pretty much 20 and under. This little gorgeous peplum top is actually like $11.98, and I already can tell this is going to be one of those outfits that I wear on repeat. I think this little blouse is precious. I love the v-neck detail. It does have functional little buttons and then has like a little bit of an opening right here, but I wore high-waisted shorts so you can, like, it doesn't show anything on your tummy. I love the little flutter sleeves here. It's this gorgeous kind of blue, baby blue color with floral details on it. I just love it. I think it is such a cute, unique little piece that you would find at like a boutique for like $40 or $50. So huge score on this one. But as far as the sizing, I did go with my larger size because technically this says junior, so I'm in between small and medium, and I did go with the medium, and it fits like perfectly. And then as far as these shorts, these are by the new brand at Walmart. I am shocked how awesome quality these are. They're $18. They're a high-rise denim. Really flattering. Sometimes with these shorts, I feel like they can be not flattering just because they're more modest. And I love the fit of these. They're white, but they're not see-through at all. I think they come in like 3 or 4 other color washes. I really liked the baby pink color. They also have like a black and like a normal denim color. So I feel like I might check out the pink ones just for something different, but you can't go wrong with the staple piece of white shorts for the spring to match with outfits. And then these little sandals are also new. They are such a good Steve Madden studded sandal, look for less, which are super popular. I'm shocked by how comfortable these are. I just got the white. I think they come in another color option, but they run true to size, and literally, guys, are so similar, like nearly identical to the Steve Madden ones that are like $80 or $90, I think, and these were right around $12. So huge favorite. I know I'll be wearing these all spring and summer. And then I wanted to share that I love it paired with this little coin crossbody bag. This is a really great Louis Vuitton look for less that I got off of Amazon, and I just have been finding myself pairing this with so many of the spring looks that I've been trying on, and I thought you guys would like it. How precious is this red dress? This is probably one of my top dresses I've ever gotten from Walmart. I will take this off, but this is a great Madewell look for less little tote bag. It's $12. I've shared it before. It has a little button clasp there and just is a great kind of everyday tote bag that's so affordable. Great for work as well. And I also love this dress because of how versatile it is too. This would be a great workwear option, but then also just like worn casually. You could throw on some little sneakers with this. Also had to share this because I love the look of this. I just threw on a denim jacket and then some little white sneakers. This is a great option to just look really cute and put together, but it's casual and comfortable. I love styling dresses like this. I love the fit of it. It's a really nice thick material. I don't know if you can tell. It's a really thick material that just feels like something that I would have gotten from like White House Black Market or like a fancy dress store. It has like a little line here that's just a little bit of a detail. It has a nice neckline, and then I love the sleeves. They're like a 3/4 or 3/4 length on your arms, and then has a little bit of like a cinch there. And this does come in a few other color options, but I just thought this red was beautiful. There's also some really other pretty spring colors options as well. Again, I think this would be a great like Easter dress or church dress or date night. You can just pair different sandals with it. I just threw on some boho kind of brown chic sandals that I got from DSW recently. They're like right around $30-$35, so they're really affordable too. As far as sizing, I did go with my true to size small on this one, and I definitely think if you run in between sizes, you could go with your smaller side, because I do have quite a bit of extra room here. But I love these types of swing dresses because they're flattering on all different body types. I'm really excited about this. I have been wearing these jeans on repeat ever since they came. Like, I was even talking to my husband about them. I was like, you're not gonna guess what, these are my new favorite jeans, and guess where they're from. Like, he could not believe they were from Walmart. I was thinking, you should know by now, my love in Walmart, that these are probably from there. That just goes to show how much Walmart has absolutely stepped up their game. They are just, I am so impressed. But I'll start off with this blouse. This gives me all the designer / expensive look for less. Love the subtle little puff sleeve there. That's a big trend in 2021, and I think it's so flattering with the little wrap here. It does have a nice button, so you don't have to worry about it falling open. And then it's a peplum style top, which I think is so cute. This is perfect worn more casual, but then also is an awesome workwear blouse that you could throw on like a blazer. This is my favorite blazer. It's from Walmart. I've shared it before. It's awesome. So you could throw that on top of it. And it does run true to size. I got my normal size extra small, and I love the fit of it. And then it just looks so cute with these light wash jeans. So these are from the new brand at Walmart. Now they come in regular sizing and then also short. So I got the regular size. They're a nice high-waisted fit. They come in like 3 or 4 other color washes. They kind of have that Free People look that were really popular with the slightly busted knee. But these, I'm not even kidding you, are like, they feel like a rag and bone or like a page jean. The material is just so thick and high quality feeling. Like I've said, I've worn these a ton, and they've held their shape really well, and they're just a really flattering jean. I just recommend everyone to grab these, because you're just going to know exactly what I mean when you try these on. And I love it paired with those little Steve Madden Look for Less sandals. And this slip dress is one of my favorites. I think it is precious. It runs true to size. It has adjustable spaghetti straps, a nice modest little v-neck, and then just has the prettiest like floral blue color. It's a nice soft material. Is not a tight fitted slip dress, so if you want it to fit a little more fitted, I would go with your smaller size. I just went with my true to size small. I love the length of it too. For height reference, again, I'm just under 5'9", so like 5'8.5", and it kind of falls to like the middle of my calves. I think this will work great for a lot of different heights, which is awesome. And this comes in like the prettiest red color and another color option too. But I don't know, something about this floral blue just screams spring to me. Lots of ways that you can style this as well. You could throw on a white blazer, a denim jacket, or you can throw this on with little sneakers for a casual look. I just went ahead and threw it on with some little low wedges for a little bit more of a dressy option. This would be a great spring wedding guest look too. I wanted to quickly show just how cute it even looks with the blazer. You could even throw like a little center belt around here, and I think that would look adorable too. When I got this like kind of boxy cropped top in about 2 weeks ago, I have been wearing it. I've probably worn it like 6 times. I'm not even kidding. It is a really soft material. Comes in like 3 or 4 other really pretty spring colors, but I love the length of it, especially paired with high-waisted jeans. It's a little bit shorter, but definitely not short enough that it would show your stomach. It has this really cute little pocket here. Love the color. It's not see-through, and it's my favorite paired with these jeans. I just think it is so cute, so flattering. And then I threw it on with these little Birkenstock Look for Less from Walmart. I wore these all last summer. They were always a bestseller. Super comfortable. They've held up so well. literally identical to the Birkenstock ones, but I think they're like $12 or $13. So this is a really casual, cute way, great transition outfit to take you from the cooler months into the warmer months. This is a new sweatshirt from the Free Assembly line. I love the stitching. It's so soft. Like, it's like that fleecy, buttery material underneath. And I did go with my true to size small. It is more of a shorter crop sweatshirt, which is why I love pairing it with high-waisted shorts, because it just gives you a little bit more warmth than what maybe a long sleeve would, but it's not too heavy. This does come in like 3 or 4 other gorgeous spring colors, but I love the contrast of the blue with some white denim. And I don't know if I mentioned, but I did size up to my larger size in these shorts. I'm usually in between 0 and 2, and with this new brand, I find that sizing up to your larger size is the best fit, especially with longer shorts like this. You don't want them to like hug your legs super tight. I just think they're more flattering if you size up one. And then I threw on my favorite little white sneakers that I shared in my must-have spring shoes, which you can go check out after this video if you're interested. I love this little romper. It's a new arrival from the Camo Blue line, I think. Love the texture of this. I got one last summer. I had gotten a romper from Pink Lily Boutique, and I wore it a ton, like so many times, and this one reminds me so much of that. I really liked the fabric and how soft that one was, and this feels so similar to that. It has like functional buttons up here so you can kind of open it up, which I think is really cute. Has a drawstring waist, pockets. Love the length of it. It's just like the perfect little romper. It's easy to throw on, very comfortable. This particular one I think is $14. It comes in tons of color options, and I would suggest going with your larger size. I went with extra small, and I feel like the small I could have done just have a little bit more extra room, so just keep that in mind as far as sizing. But like I said, like so many colors and patterns available, you have to check them out. I just threw them on with these new little sandals that are $18. Oh my goodness, look how adorable they are. They are a nice tie knot sandal, but what I love is this is actually so comfortable. Like, the leather feel is so comfortable and soft on your feet, and they do run true to size. So I just think they're like the perfect little sandal to just kind of dress up any outfit. And then I just threw on this little designer look for less bag. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more from Walmart, make sure to give a thumbs up. That just lets me know that you like this type of content. And make sure to hit the subscribe button, join the fam if you haven't already. I do upload 2 to 3 times a week here. And with that being said, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.